Welcome back to Express.com. Today I'm going to show you real quickly the first thing that you should do before you build your cabinet. So all you're going to need for this is a scrap piece of wood, a speed square, and of course a tape measure and a pencil. Now let us pretend we are building a 20-inch wide European cabinet. So first we are going to go ahead and mark off our 20 inches. And then using our square, line that up and make a mark. Now we know everything that we're building for this cabinet is inside this 20 inches. So European style, we're gonna do a 3/4 inch side for each side of our cabinet. So we're gonna go measure that. 20 inches minus 3/4 is 19 1/4. And then you're gonna come back and make your marks. Now what I like to do is just kind of label everything. So I'll put 3/4 and 3/4, and I'll know that's my sides. Now, we have our sides. This is gonna make a perfect cut list. So we have our sides already. And now we are gonna figure out our inside dimensions. So burning an inch, because it's easier than just holding the edge of it and guessing. So I'm gonna go to 1 inch, and we're gonna go here. We have 19 1/2 minus the 1 inch. So we know 18 1/2 is going to be our bottom and top of the cabinet. So by doing it this way, you're guaranteed that when I cut this bottom at 18 1/2 and I cut these sides, it's gonna exactly give me the 20 inches that I want overall. Now you could even go one step further and figure out your drawer sizes doing this way by, let's say we're doing 1/2 inch drawer sides. So we're gonna just subtract 1/2 inch. And then we're gonna do the same thing over here. Subtract the 1/2 inch. And then you can make these little marks as well. So now I know the finished width of my drawer box ahead of time, which is going to be 17 1/2 drawers. Now, of course, that was easy because it was only 1 inch and 1/2 inch clearance, but this works for all the details in your cabinet making. Now you can measure once, measure twice, cut 3 times, who cares, but laying out is going to be the way to go, especially if there's a change. You could also use all of this, make your cut list, and you are ready to build that cabinet.